Hello, you are watching from Sushan Das's Facebook page. I am Swarnpal, here with today's special news. The nation is marking the 150th birth anniversary of the revered tribal freedom fighter, Bhagwan Birsa Munda. The celebrations in the Northeast, however, have taken a particularly vibrant and unique turn, with the Khasi community playing a central role in a spectacular cultural commemoration. Our special correspondent is reporting live from Sagolma Playground, which has been transformed into a magnificent venue for a massive cultural program dedicated to this milestone. That's right. I am at the heart of the celebration, which is drawing huge crowds from Badshaitilla village and the surrounding areas. The air is electric, charged with reverence for Birsa Munda and a powerful showcase of the region's tribal roots. The most attractive aspect of today's event is undoubtedly the specially organized Khasi cultural program. Although Birsa Munda belonged to the Munda tribe of the Chota Nagpur region, the Khasi community's tribute underscores the spirit of Janajatiya Gaurav, tribal pride, which unites all indigenous communities across India. We have witnessed the mesmerizing performance of the Shad Sukhmin Seem, the beautiful Khasi dance of joyful hearts. Over 100 dancers, dressed in their traditional regalia, performed this dance. Their iconic silver headgear and vibrant hand-woven clothes created a stunning visual spectacle against the backdrop of the special commemorative stage. The Honorable Krishnendu Pal, our dynamic Minister of Assam, was present as the chief guest at this historic event. The DC, District Collector of Shribhumi District, was also in attendance. The speakers present here today highlighted Birsa Munda's role as Dharti Aba, the father of the earth. His struggle against colonial exploitation and land policies continues to be a symbol for all tribal groups fighting to preserve their land and culture. This festival is a living affirmation of cultural resilience and tolerance. Sagolma Playground has become an important stage for this cross-cultural dialogue. Food stalls are offering delicious Khasi delicacies alongside cuisine from other regional tribes, turning this celebration into a festival of unity. The events here are scheduled to continue late into the evening, with special addresses by local tribal leaders and a community bonfire. With these vibrant visuals of the festival, I hand it back to the studio. Thank you. The events at Sagolma Playground send a powerful message that cultural celebrations can bridge geographical and tribal divides to honor a shared heritage.